Situated in the heart of Cass County, Nebraska, this 40-acre dryland farm offers approximately 37 acres of productive tillable ground, making it an attractive opportunity for row crop production or agricultural investment. Conveniently located just 30 minutes from both Lincoln and Omaha, it combines rural efficiency with proximity to major markets and services. Accessible via well-maintained county roads, the gently rolling terrain and easy access enhance its functionality, whether you're looking to expand your current operation or invest in quality farmland. With its strong soils and strategic location, this tract is well suited for both local producers and ag-focused investors seeking manageable, income-generating property in a desirable area of southeast Nebraska. For a qualified showing, please contact Jared Brayback at 402-440-9904.